Hey, so if Notion AI is not generating content, yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to write something or brainstorm ideas and nothing happens. In this guide, I'll walk you through simple steps to fix this problem. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable, because Notion AI needs a strong connection to generate content properly. Next, try refreshing the page or restarting the app. Yeah, this can fix temporary glitches that stop the AI from working. You should also check if Notion AI is enabled on your account, since some features may require activation or access. If your prompt is too complex, uh, try simplifying it. Sometimes shorter and clearer prompts work better. Clearing your browser cache and cookies can also help, yeah, because stored data can interfere with performance. Disable any browser extensions, especially script blockers or ad blockers, as they can affect how the AI runs. You can also try switching to another browser or using the desktop app to see if the issue is platform specific. And if nothing works, yeah, the problem might be on Notion's servers. So waiting a bit and trying again later can help. So yeah, that's how to fix Notion AI not generating content issues. One of these steps should help you get it working again smoothly. Hey,